Alright guys, this is Max, and we have a Kong Frisbee right here with a hole in it that happened over some time. And really the way we got him to fetch was just keep throwing this for him and encouraging him with treats, and he's a huge treat lover. So let's see you fetch. Come on, you ready? Let's go. Good boy. Max, fetch. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Let me get in my hand. That's a good boy. You want to do it again? Let's go. Good boy. Positive reinforcement and treats. Hey Max, fetch Frisbee. Come on. Good boy. That's a really good boy. Turn.